Hello and welcome. I will be answering WAEC 2020 AGRIC Science Objective Past Question 6. So you have this diagram illustrating a farm equipment, and we have to use it to answer question 5 and 6. So this is question 6. Now, the illustrated equipment is used for A. Making drills, B. Marking stations, C. Making chain length, D. Making holes for transplanting. So the description of this equipment is pole. It's a pole with one pointed end and the other end rounded, and it is painted black and white. So this equipment, as we established in question 5, is a ranging pole. It is called a ranging pole, and it is a farm surveying equipment. Now, what the function it performs is marking of stations. So marking stations is the function of a ranging pole. So on the farmland where surveying processes or practices are taking place, the ranging pole is put into the ground to mark that particular station, and that is the reason why it is painted black and white for visibility, for it to be easily spotted from anywhere on the land. So as we have established, it is used for marking stations, and marking stations is option B. So option B is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.